Hello everyone. Today we are diving into an incredible resource that is game changer for anyone in the tech that is called Roadmap.sh. It is a user-friendly platform that provides visual roadmaps for various career paths in technology. Let's jump and explore how it can help you in your learning. Uh, in a browser, by simply typing roadmap.sh, you will come here. You can see it's quite impressive design, that is UI, and you can also see there is a lots of learning paths you can explore as you can, and some are skill based roadmaps, that is React, Angular, Node.js, SQL, Python, Java, and system designs. And also in a role based roadmaps there is DevOps, QA, C++ for beginners, UX designs, blockchain, Android, backend, front end. For example, if you want to become a front end developer, then you can go there. And by simply here you can see, by simply clicking on the download button, you can download this entire roadmap, and they will guide you how to become a front-end developer step by step. In the first step, you need to learn HTML. By clicking on that HTML tag, you can see there is lots of resources for learning. You can go through that, and also in a second step, you can learn CSS, like how you can add your CSS in your website, and how to making layouts, and how to make your website responsive and all. In a third step, you can learn JavaScript, like how to fetch APIs, Ajax, what is Ajax calls, and learn DOM manipulation, that is a backbone of the JavaScripts and all. After learning the JavaScript, you can explore any framework. It would be Angular, it would be a React.js or Vue.js. And at the end of the page, there is frequently asked questions like what are the job titles of a front-end developer, and here you can see your answer. And also how to become a front-end developer, and how long it does it take to become a front-end developer and all. If you want to test your knowledge after the learning, you will see here is a some questions. For JavaScript there is a 75 questions, for React there is 51 questions. For JavaScript you can see 75 questions. The first question is, what is an increment operator in JavaScript? If you already know the answer, then you can simply click already know that. And if you didn't know, then also click on the didn't know. You can skip the questions. In the second question, what is the spread operator in JavaScript? If you don't know the answer, by simply clicking on the reveal the answer, you can see the answer. Here you can see the whole answer with the examples. That's all, guys, for today. Thank you for watching.